How to download a Pinterest video onto your iPhone.
If you find a video on Pinterest that you really enjoy and want to save the file to your iPhone, it's really simple to do.
First, select the Pinterest post with the video in it. And from the bottom right corner of your screen, select the three dots for more options. Then select Copy Link. Now that we have the link copied, we can open up a web browser on our phone and go to expertsphp.com. This is an external website that helps you download videos and images from Pinterest onto your phone. On the home screen, you'll see a URL link bar where you can paste the link that we just copied from Pinterest. Once you have the link entered into the field, click Download. You'll now see a preview of the video that we've downloaded, and just below the video you'll see two download links. The first one allows you to download your linked file as a video or MP4, and the second one allows you to download it as an image. We want to save the full video, so we're going to hold down the download link for the video. And from the drop-down that appears with various options, we're going to select to download the linked file. As you can see in the top right corner of our browser, a file has been downloaded, and if we click the download icon, we can select the video that we just downloaded to view it. To then save the video to our phone, we're going to select the share icon in the bottom left corner of our screen, and then select Save Video. If we now go to our camera roll, you can see that the video we just downloaded has been added to our camera roll, and if we select it, we can play the full video. And that's how to download a Pinterest video onto your iPhone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.